Hey people, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I made this adjustable face mask. If you're new to my channel, this is Waka Waka and I'm Abby. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I started by measuring 10 inches for the width of the pattern and 1 inch allowance, and I did 8 inches for the length while including the allowance. I then connected my width to the length using a straight line and the length to the width, which in turn gave me a rectangle. I cut out my pattern, laid it out on my main fabric, pinned it, and I also cut it out. And I did the same for the second fabric. Then I looked for the midpoint on both sides of the fabric and notched it. Using the width of my ruler, which is 1/1/4 inch, I used it to mark the fabric and then cut out about 60 inches for the length. I matched both of my fabric with both sides facing and pinned it. Then I sewed the fabric with a 3/8 inch allowance while leaving an opening of about 1.5 inches. And I also sewed the fabric strip by 1/2 inch, ironed it, trimmed and flipped it to the right side. And I did the same for the main fabric. I laid out the fabric and folded in 1/2 inch upwards. And pinned it down on both sides, and did the same for the upper part. At the side, I folded in about 1 inch allowance, pinned it, and I did the same for the other side too. Sewed both sides, inserted my already made strings, knotted the end, and there you have it, a fabric mask that is also reversible and adjustable. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.